Veteran Bollywood comedian Jagdeep passed away here last Wednesday owing to age-related health problems at the age of 81. Jagdeep's son Javed Jafri penned a heartfelt note and shared it on Twitter. He wrote, "My heartfelt thanks to all those who shared the pain of my father's departure with so much love, appreciation and regret. From 10 to 81, all he breathed and lived was film." After losing his father at 7 and losing everything else that existed of a good life, after the partition, it was a head-to-head combat with poverty and survival on the footpaths of Mumbai. A 8-year-old with his mother thrown head first into the ocean, it was either sink or swam. So he swam. From working in small-scale tin factories to making kites, selling soap to walking behind a malishwala holding his canister of oil. At 10 years of age, what destiny chose for him as the light at the end of the tunnel was cinema. The journey began with B.R. Chopra Sahab, first film Afsana, and as the adage goes, a journey of 1,000 miles start with a single step. There was no looking back. His father figures and guides were the likes of Vimal Roy, Guru Dutt, Mehboob Khan, Kashif. From the most natural child actor I have witnessed in Hindi cinema to a sensitive leading man, to the craziest improv comedian with impeccable timing in latter years, he never failed to entertain and amaze. A father who taught me the values of life, the lessons of poverty, the importance of dedication and the fineness of craft with innumerable stories of positivity and inspiration, always smiling with words of encouragement for all and reminding me that true success is gauged by what one is and not what one has, and by what knows and not who one knows. What a man, what a journey. हिंदुस्तान के लोगों को दो चीज़ों से बहुत लगाव है, एक माँ, दूसरा सिनेमा. मेरे फादर को भी इन दोनों से बेहद लगाव था. I would like to end with his favorite couplet which his माँ quoted under dire straits and which he constantly used as a reminder. वो मंजिल क्या जो आसानी से तय हो, वो राही क्या जो थक कर बैठ जाए. मगर अफसोस जिंदगी कभी कभी थक कर बैठने पर मजबूर कर देती है. हौसला बुलंद होता है पर जिस्म साथ नहीं देता. टू द मैन आई कॉल्ड पापा एंड हु द वर्ल्ड न्यू बाय हिज वेरियस अवतार्स, सलाम.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.